Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm the Assault Runner is plugged into a grounded outlet and the emergency key is present. This prevents surprises. Once done, check belt alignment and tightness, then wear stable shoes and attach the safety lanyard. Start with incline at 0 degrees and speed at 0. 5 mph and stand on the side rails while you press start. This gives you control. Make sure the console stop and emergency kill respond. Do not step onto the belt until those controls react reliably. You now move into the core. Begin with 30 to 60 second intervals and increase speed in small steps, 0, 1 to 0, 5 mph so your neuromuscular control keeps up. Once comfortable, use short, quick strides and drive the arms. This reduces impact and sustains power. Make sure to avoid leaning on the rails, keep a slight forward posture and engage your core. Monitor your perceived exertion and heart rate, and alternate hard efforts. With recovery, walking to manage fatigue. You finish by cooling down for 5 to 10 minutes at an easy pace and reduce incline to 0 degrees before stopping. This helps heart rate settle. Once stopped, power off and inspect the belt, rollers, and frame. Tighten any loose bolts and follow the manual for lubrication. If the belt drifts to one side, power off and realign it. Adjust the rear roller bolts in small increments, about 1/4 turn at a time, then recheck. This prevents overcorrection and preserves treadmill life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.